Okay.
There's a one bear.
Good. You can circle it. Circle your bear. Mm-hmm.
There's a malabo.
Good. What else? What is this?
Fee.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Non-bear.
What's that? Snowballs?
Yeah.
Yeah. More snowballs?
Yeah.
And this?
No.
Snow.
Yeah.
Snow. Lots of snow.
Yeah.
Is it hot or is it cold?
Gold.
Cold. Oh. And what color did you use here?
Blue.
Blue. Ah. Blue is a cool color.
Yeah.
Yes. And did you put anything on your paper with Mrs. Macy?
Yeah.
What did you put?
This.
Okay.
This.
Yes.
This. This. And this.
Very good. Okay. Thank you, Alessandro. Okay, now we can save it and we can have a look. Shall we have a look? Come. Hi.
Do you want all these sensors and take care of my hair and stuff like that in that box that you all have out there?
Well, I was kind of hoping some of them, like the hair ones, we could put near the
Yeah.
hair
So
salon.
here they
And,
are.
okay, super. I'll maybe sort.
Email me if there's like something you say, oh, see if you have anything on this.
Okay.
Because
All
I
right.
just went by
I'm here. This.
what I